Templates define the way a website looks. Joomla comes with several different templates for the front end of the website and for the back end of the website. There are many more templates available for free download or by paid download. And of course, you can always code your own templates. Let's take a quick peek at our template manager, which you can find under Extensions, Template Manager. You'll see that we have several template styles listed here in our template manager. Those of you who are familiar with Joomla 1.5, styles are something new that started in Joomla 1.6 and have carried into Joomla 2.5. Previously, we had just a screen of templates, but now we have two screens, these styles here, and over on the tab here, a series of template masters. Template masters are where you would go to edit your HTML and your CSS, whereas styles are the way that you assign the look of specific templates to the front end or the back end of the website. As you see here in our listing, there are 4 templates available to us for this website, and they're all listed on the same screen with these administrator templates. So, Bluestork and Hathor, down here on the bottom of the screen, are administrator templates, and they come bundled with Joomla 2.5. Bluestork is the default admin template. You know that because there's a star next to it here in the default column. And Hathor is a fully accessible administrator template, and that one comes with Joomla 2.5, but it's not currently in use. For the front end of the website, there are 3 templates available, which you can see here in the location column that there are 3 of those available. We are currently using the Bees 2.0 template, which you see by the star in the default column. But there is also a Bees 5 template by default and the Atomic template as well. In the coming videos, I'll show you how to change these template styles and how to use the template manager to modify your HTML and CSS. It's possible to have multiple styles assigned within your website, and we'll go through all of that. However, I will not be covering how to code your own Joomla template in the Joomla 2.5 Essential Training course. If you are interested in learning how to create your own custom template, be sure to watch Joomla 1.6, Creating and Editing Custom Templates. Although the title suggests that this is just for Joomla 1.6, these videos work just fine, no issues, with Joomla 1.7 and Joomla 2.5 as well.